I don't know. Why so many? Why so many sex shop here? Why? So big. Mango is good. No, I like this mango. 170 kilo, but I think it's no.
130 po. 130.
130 kilo.
Sweet corn,
No
sir.
corn. You want corn, Shaira?
Up to you.
Yes,
na
for
How much ask?
35.
35.
30.
30
Yes,
pesos na lang.
simul in.
Yeah.
35 pesos only. This one? Or
It's
this?
different taste or not?
Yeah.
This one it's like same like barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yes.
You know they.
But what say
This
for me
is
better?
corn with
No, no.
butter and cheese.
What better
If
for
you
me,
don't
Shaira?
want some wet,
Uh-huh.
this one.
Okay, this
But
one.
if you want little bit sweeter,
But salt have little bit salt. Have?
it's already with butter.
Yes. Do you want butter?
Not with butter,
no,
no.
no, butter no. Salt little bit.
Salt daw.
Mhm.
Same lang ba yung price nito?
Yes po. 3 for 100.
3 for 100.
So many I don't want.
It's later for
Later we can buy later. We can buy now strawberry also.
Wala na bang nagbibenta ng strawberry dito?
Ay, wala. Mahal kasi.
But now not season for strawberry. When season? Or February only.
No?
Already now?
Meron din hanggang ngayon.
Sa Trinidad.
Trinidad.
In Trinidad
strawberry
only,
farm.
the strawberry
Or,
farm
ano,
only.
they're in Mines View.
No, I been in, but now season or not?
No.
Not season.
Not seasonal.
When season in Baguio, when season start?
Ate Isabel, kailan season ng ano? Strawberry? Next month, February?
In February, in Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year, strawberry season. Need to come to Baguio again.
What better for this
So
one?
we already choose this one.
Only one?
Only one, yes.
I know you can eat one only.
No, I will eat one only. What do you think you can eat? Shaira, I give to you, don't worry. You will eat first.
No, because I had this lipstick, that's why
No,
you
it's
better
okay.
eat first.
Okay. What, Shaira? Good?
Ito po.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you. Okay, Shaira, you can eat all, okay? And you're not hungry. If you want to put in the head, you don't want,
No, no.
because you're from Pampanga.
Yes.
Okay. Masarap, Shaira?
Krishna,
No, what?
Masarap.
Most of people watch from America, Australia.
delicious.
How you can say in Japanese,
Horseshit.
Chinese, Japanese, you know Japanese language? Huh?
Huh?
Forgot already Japanese language.
Yes, I forgot already. I forgot already. But Russian, Chinese,
You know Chinese?
you teach me, right?
Yes. Chinese, you know. Little
Japanese before I know because I have book.
bit. You have relatives from Japan.
Yes, also.
Mango also.
Coffee shop.
Can't we see, Shai? I want to take a look, okay? Интересно. Okay. Faster. I want to take a look. Coffee project. Coffee project. Good style. О, nice. Oh, nice view.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Mines U Park Hotel. Good view. Where translator Shira? Shira? Let's go. Translator Shira. I want to Marcos village. I want, you know, Marcos. Not Marcos village. Marcos residence before.
Good view.
I remember I filming before. And so many dogs inside. Good view. It's very good air here, Shire. Very good. Sometimes I want to live in Baguio because I like Baguio. We traveling every maybe before we traveling every 6 months to Baguio, but during COVID we stop. You know why? And maybe February we again come back to Baguio. Do you want Shira come back again to Baguio?
And also, I want to come back to Thailand.
Thailand, Shira, maybe we go to Thailand in March. March. Yes, maybe we will go to Thailand, to Pattaya in March, because our friends go from Europe, from many countries, go to the Pattaya in March. We can together. Shira, let's go. Name Shira Barangay, Pascusan Barangay.
Susan.
What?
Puksusan.
Paksusan Barangay. Barangay Paksusan in this way. Let's see. Wait. We already near Marcos residence. Ex-president of the Philippines, Shira, yes? His residence before here.
It's her place before.
He lived before here? Or like village?
It's like village only.
Like village, okay.
But
Before don't have fence, before you can go inside.
right
And
now they build some big hotels or
Mhm.
apartments here.
I remember I have video from inside. And now already not allowed. Already closed. Maybe they build hotels. We cannot see. Oh, you can see it's already. Before it's only 2 floors. They remove. Wait, Shira, what is project? Baguio Hotel. Excuse me, this is Mountain View Baguio Hotel built.
Yes, sir.
Hotel. Before it's Marcos residence before.
No,
Or not?
not Marcos. It's...
Not Marcos?
Marcos Highway?
Ha?
Ano yung sinasabi niya?
Hindi, ano dating ano kasi yan? Lugar to kasi?
Ano ito yung outlook?
Atlo.
What Shira?
Atlo.
Okay.
But where's the Marcos?
Here, I remember this building.
Marcos, right?
Yes, it's Marcos before, Marcos residence. I take video before, you remember? I walk and dogs, so many dogs inside.
I don't know if it's the Marcos place.
You said Marcos?
I guess it's Marcos.
Yes.
And right now they repair it.
Not repair, they build new building, hotel.
That's why it's in repair and rebuild.
Take a look, very good. Nice. Nice. Yes, it's the same.
Wait, I will take a look in my phone.
You don't want it?
Hold it first.
Okay. Baguio Townhouse Condominium. You can ask why jeepney stop here or not? This way to Sam or this way?
Kuya. May nag-stop ba? Stop ng dito, no? Oh, it's depend also.
Так, Sam this way.
Pero
SM. But we already walked here before. You remember? Before.
Dating kayo niyan. Lagyan. Pwede yan, lagyan ng sili. Tanggalin niya kamay niya. Sige kuya. Picture nasa daw, Galina.
What name of this place, Shaira? Some residents of Philippines? President of what? Okay. I take picture you.
Baka magbakit ka na ang buong mundo.
Ano lang, normal, standard.
Shaira, explain to me. Sex shop everywhere. Why? Traditional in Baguio. Huh? Why?
I don't know.
You don't know, I also don't know.
Maingat ka. Kung hindi ka, alin mo, hindi ka, sir, balik sir, kabayo balat.
Si Yumi hindi na pagod. Ba't si Yumi?
It's not easy if people drunk. Not easy to. What, Shaira? But you're not drunk, you can. If in Walking Street put with. Нет амбуланс.
Because if I see fall, like go down, I feel like dizzy.
Okay.
You know,
Ooh,
feel
smell.
good.
Smell good? Smell good.
I remember we take some jeep here.
Ага.
I don't know if they have here
Do you have face mask? Huh?
in the bag.
Okay.
I will come back and then come back again.
Of course, so many horse. Of course, here smell. Oh, no, no, thank you. So many horse. Wait. Oh, sorry. So many horse. Horsing ride 300 half hour, 1 hour 600. This way, Shaira, this way.
Huwag nila akong lukoy ngayon. Sakit tayo na. Tawagan ko yun. Sila sa kanila. Tawagan ko yan. Ampun. Pagpadala? Sakit ba? Ginagawa ko.
School? It's a school. don't know. Where? To where? Session Road. I don't have for this place. Have? Shaira don't want to walk 37 minutes, Shaira.
That's so far.
Far, but you can 37 minutes wait now.
That's okay.
Don't have driver.
That's driver.
This is driver.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.